Monday was a double face ripper. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update. And today was a double face ripper. And of course, we have been the advocates of selling rallies for the last 5 or 6 weeks. And today it opened up on a monster rally, looking like they were going to go to Pluto. And the Dow got up about 350 or so. And all of a sudden decided that it no longer wanted to be higher. Now, the Dow was a little bit weaker, you know, based on what was going on with Boeing and some of the other things all day anyways. Big deal with IBM and Red Hat. But at the end of the day, the market's totally reversed and actually got clobbered. They're coming back a little bit now, but the Dow actually had about a 900-point intraday swing from top to bottom. And of course, that's the kind of rallies that we're looking to sell. Remember, bear market rallies look the most delicious. They are the most vicious when it comes down to it, and they make you think that's what you want to buy. Those are the rallies to sell. So what you saw was a major reversal on the Russell, which was really quite surprising, as the Russell was up about 30 points, then down about 30, which is a monster move in the Russell. The NASDAQ got absolutely cooked. It was up almost 100 at one time this morning, then it was down almost 300. So you're seeing some major volatility. What does the major volatility mean? It means that the markets are making a top. It's what we have said repeatedly from the beginning, is when you start to see this wild volatility, it means that you've got a lot of people trying to pick the bottom, so you get these little runs up, and then of course the sellers, which are now the strong hands, come in and push them back down. You saw the bonds down substantially, and then they came all the way back to close either near unchanged or up a little bit. Gold did not participate in this. Now, it was down about 10 bucks and closed down about 3 or 4, but you would have thought that gold might have been higher. Oil continues to work its way lower. Again, we're looking and seeing the same things happen over and over again. And again, this time is not different. It's all about the overall overwhelming debt that we have in this country that is creating it. The markets are priced for perfection, which is what we have talked about. Look at Amazon. Amazon is now, from a $1 trillion company, is now in correction territory. You've got Facebook, you've got Apple, you've got other big earnings coming out this week. They are really just throwing these out, as they say, the baby with the bathwater. Now, again, we're not telling you to sell everything. We are saying, look for the next rally now. If you miss this sell-off, look for the next vicious rally. You want to find a good level to sell. Now, we should most likely get a bounce. Based on what we've seen, I would expect to see a bounce in the next day or two, which will be most likely extremely vicious, just like this morning's rally. Okay, as we like to call them, the rip your face off rallies, and we'll see. But we're going to be looking for an opportunity to sell. If you're a very short-term trader, you may want to look for a spot to buy into the futures or something of that nature, based on, we're going to get some sort of a bounce. Again, we don't think, although we think there's a much bigger sell-off coming, we don't think it's coming all at once. We think you're going to get these trials and tribulations of the markets moving. Again, you go back to the last big collapse we had, 2008-9, you had 1,000-point swings in the Dow. I would have no problem believing that we will see that again here. The grains were a little bit disappointing. We're higher overnight, we're lower on the day. Meats were kind of mixed, cattle a little bit lower. But I think, you know, you look at the bigger picture. I still think we should be putting money into the grain markets, in the meats. I think those are good. I think the Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency space held up relatively well once again. It's going nowhere fast. I think there's a lot of things waiting for some of the commercial paper to come in. But in the meantime, look to sell rallies of vicious rallies. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for sharp, fast, big rallies. That's where we want to look to be sellers as I see it right now. I think you're going to see continuation of the equities. Every rally will be sold. Gold is going to go higher. You're going to see oil go lower. Bonds could be either way from here. Obviously, interest rates go up, the bonds will fall. We'll see how it all plays out. In the meantime, be patient and be careful, because in markets that are this volatile, you don't have to rush to get in the trade. There's always a trade available. Make sure you wait until the level that you see. This is Bubba's Daily Update. Todd Bubba Horowitz. As always, I thank you for being here. We have our new hedging class starting tomorrow. If you'd like to check out the webinar from the hedging, you can email me at bubba@bubbatrading.com. I'll send you out the recording in case you want to come and join our class. And also, don't forget about our high school program. If you want to help us out, Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. In the meantime, we got Monday Night Football tonight. We got to like New England. Not a big play, just a little bit. We like New England. We think they're going to win. We'll see you back here tomorrow on Bubba's Daily Update. This is it. We'll see you tomorrow. Bubba's Daily Update.